We're at the corner of Valley View and Juniper Road, and this is where NPS has done a pothole repair in Valley View, St. Joseph. This is their stabilized product with soil, and that's it. And this is the repair. Started off as 3 potholes. It's even properly sealed, all against the edges, going right around to prevent any water from getting in underneath and compromising the surface. Come on, that's rock solid. Yes, beautifully done by Natural Paving Solutions. Amazing road repair. This was conducted on the 22nd of June. It's now August 7th, and you can see how it's standing. The road around is breaking up, but this is standing strong.